Good afternoon, people. And we are back to another episode of Life in the Village. And we're gonna go and collect some coconut because we're gonna do, it's kind of like Fijian snack called toffee, and we need a lot of coconut. Oh, Fijian chaser. For grog. Chaser for grog, and we're gonna show you how the process is done, how to do it. But firstly, we must collect some coconut, and that is what we're gonna do here. We're just gonna get off and then let's see. Okay, people, let's go and look for some coconuts. And how many coconuts do we need for the dish? For that chaser? Huh? Navuti?
5.
5 only?
Yeah, 5 there's 4 carrots.
Eh? Yeah. I thought that we need 10 coconut.
No, 5.
10 coconut?
Yeah, 10 coconut.
How many sugar we gonna need? How many kilo? 2 kg suki.
Oh, have you salta ko sige?
Ilu.
Come. Wait, one parma now.
Okay, we're gonna follow Sosias in here.
Yeah.
One there.
Yeah.
How do you know it's good? Water.
2.
Also, if there's water inside. Go. I think one here. Go. We found one here. People, if you can hear water in there, that should be good to use. Or else it's almost virus. Let's see here. Some more here maybe. Yeah, this one too. Look, can you hear it? Oi! Adab, sotalngur. Sotalngur. Kungu. Halal.
This is a good taste.
The good chase of a grog.
Good taste of a grog in the village.
You're gonna show us tomorrow?
Yeah. We sell it to in the village.
Oi, how much for
10
one?
10 one piece.
Oi, 10 cents one piece?
Yeah. Now, because I don't know 10 cents a piece. Before, when you was a child.
Yo?
When you
Yo?
When you was a child.
Me?
Yeah.
Yo?
Oh.
What happened to me when I was a child? Matak. Bon, total iko beri ketubango kika. Okay, people, I think that's enough coconut. Eh? Tosis. Oh, okay. And the other boys, they have collected too. There's gonna be a major chase. What the fuck?
That's the Allen animal.
Did you catch that by yourself?
Yes, 100% by myself.
Good
Okay,
job.
I had a little help.
Oh, and that you can go tabu tabu, eh?
Yeah. And cook it. Edit.
That's the land crab.
Just put inside Navi's pants. That is for tomorrow that we're gonna do the toffee. So we'll see you guys back in the village. Okay, people, now it's time to go and do the toffee.
Some cool shake.
Some toffee data. And you can see there Viliame's cucumber over there. Look, boy, Bills, your cucumber is huge. Ew. So the plan is now we're gonna go and buy some milk because that is part of the ingredient, and some sugar. And I think 1 kilo is enough. 1 kilo sugar says it. Milk, sugar, and we already have the coconut that we were out collecting yesterday. And today's head chef for the toffee, for the chaser.
Rice burning on
It's gonna be my Buningons Bills. And that is why he goes as #1 in front, because we can see his back.
You go there.
His back. Yeah. Naka, where we're gonna go is, we've been there a few times. That is Abinosubugi, the store. That is where they sell milk and sugar. So that's what we're gonna do, and then when we come back, Viliame is gonna sew new.
No,
and
you the soy new and career. You listen, me the head chef or
the head chef do the work too, man.
no, me just cook. I don't want to tie and cook. That's the having will spoil. You saw the new 10 new, eh?
Data.
Also,
And you has. You has the coconut.
and you crabs the coconut.
And the coconut has you.
Data. Okay, see you in Osubuki.
See you in the cool shake store.
Or see you at the nursing station,
Nursing station.
See you next Friday.
where Viliame will go and get his cap.
To
Bigs.
Miss Incest.
Okay, we're here again, and let's see. Okay, life. Gonna real life, eh? Gonna real life. Gonna kilo suka. Okay. Saya what's na apa?
Cool shake. Cool shake.
Sebo. Tolu cool shake.
Kami wala sana.
Tolu.
Look
Look at these two. Always complaining.
no complain here, you.
What's and then
Yeah, look at that you hot.
take this.
You buy yours.
Hey, tofi. 1 kg.
One kg flour.
One spare $10 for us.
Yes.
If not you.
Yongara will.
So yeah, people, I'm looking forward to my Buningon Vili. It's
Ndambe.
gonna be the head chef for today.
You'll the bunguns because you'll just suck the.
From chief taster to chief restaurant chef.
No, this is the Bato place. Long time cooking that sweet
Toffee.
snacks here.
I remember when I was little, our grandmother used to cook it.
Yeah.
Every week. Toffee.
10 cents, 5 cents.
Yo. And there was never enough, eh? Every kids would come.
But today,
Not
no
that.
kids will buy. All for Cheshire.
All for cheese. Eh? Hey, you scare the kids. Hey.
One time.
You scare all the kids away.
Yeah. Go away. Wait, we drink and we enough, then you come.
Gura ruta?
Ah?
Ruta.
Chelo. Mira, me shot al año.
Glory. New coconut.
New S. Asyik mo.
Yeah.
Naliliw ko na siya.
Very chico. Okay, people. Now it's down to the cooking spot where we're gonna cook the toffee. And we hope this is enough coconut. I don't know. It's up to the head chef Vili. Come.
Oh, 1 kg. Sambal tak menden tu.
Now time for Viliame. Viliame to show you.
You to serve the S of Navuti.
And after this, Luke will sue him.
Kat sana.
Kat stuff. Siya ni sunili.
Enggak kan lagi.
Okay, people, I think this is enough. The boy said, I don't know. I thought we collected more yesterday, more new.
You used it yesterday.
You used it yesterday?
Yes.
Later. Sangson,
Roro.
sao na new? Where you go?
Ouch.
Sama lo tu naruru.
Oh, wasang. You can see here Luke is cleaning the coconut. For the dirt, eh?
Yeah. That you not go to the bishop. This thing.
Then make it taste raw.
Tastes good. Yeah, but this make it look not good.
Oh, yo.
One more can
Now from Suanu to cutting to Jirnu. From Suanu to Jirnu. Viliame, the man with many talents. Namos nakitim.
Aira.
And Simodi is scraping the coconut now.
This is your head.
Oh, small coconut, sir. Taste.
That's parah.
Oh. So really, after this, what's the next step?
After this, mix the coconut together. That's already asked there. The sugar.
Different method, different technique. Oi.
This one, that one.
Which one is the best? Your method, your technique.
Who?
Your technique.
All technique good.
Oi. Oi. Let's see.
Yeah. Let's see the result. In a few moments later, coolness goes out.
Ah!
Too much corn.
Too much corn.
Uday.
Kum.
Uday.
Beta. So people remember when we were small, my grandma used to do this a lot. Make the toffee. It was really sweet and really delicious. Can't wait to taste it, you know. But that's her version. Now we're gonna try Viliame's version. Viliame's toffee.
This is all ideas. All ideas is right.
Suki time.
Suki good. This Suki facts, not good.
Savosots.
You go more money, you bring kick Suki. Good one.
Suki is inside Kiki. Inside Viliame's pants.
From the you in the market in Corbu.
That's good. Your brother.
Your brother.
I'll give you the
Kai. Tukam.
Tukam yani. Okay, people, we're about to finish up scraping the coconut, and now we can begin the next step, which is, I think, is cooking the coconut.
You finish?
Finish.
Yeah.
We go inside.
Go inside.
One.
1 cup.
1 cup. This cup no good. Siapa dah nourish rinso minute tu biru.
You're gonna mash it.
Yeah. Tu. Fuck, this cup is no good.
This is English.
See, I tell you to bring one.
It's ngang.
Rubber one.
Rumble.
This one is.
How many cups and how many cups of coconut and how many cups of sugar?
Which the cup of coconut is 2.
1.5 sugar.
Yeah.
Wait.
2.
I don't think
The
that's.
amount of sugar
Every
depends
idea
on
is
the coconut.
good.
Oh. I don't know if that's enough sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, the more sugar, the more tasty.
The more sugar, the more taste. And after that, some salt too.
No.
Oh,
No salt.
Oh, no salt.
Wow.
Sugar and water. And milk. Arona bila.
Aruna bilo ya, ni ba?
Ambil sugar.
Oh, no mo de aruna bilo anggur.
Orang ambil bang.
Siya nga ukan de doon bilo anggur ya, doon bilo suka.
Cuma meron na takbo.
Luta.
Aruna bilo ngo ya, doon bilo.
New. Dan suka.
Alim.
Apa anggur?
Masih alim.
Alim.
Madera. Itu ni corona. Wah. Masuk. You could just say, huh?
Other than grog, is it good for something else? Other than being a good chase?
Yeah, it's like
Just when you're young, you...
pigeon snacks.
Oi.
Yeah.
Oi, pigeon snack.
Sweet snacks.
Oi.
But
That's how much? 6. How much cup is that?
6.
Berapa? That can 3. Yeah, you put 12.
Having
Just put man
6.5, eh? Or 6 quarter.
Wow.
Good.
My friend was sugar.
Oh, no.
And now,
Time to add the sugar.
and how many sugar?
3.5.
Oi.
One.
Full time.
Oh, that's full. Because unless no sugar.
Oh, yeah.
One will watch this. Oh, too much sugar, this boy. Check manda.
Two.
No.
Wait, you.
Yeah, I said tarangori. Half. That's the half.
No, that is not enough.
You take the sugar from there.
Yeah, that's enough.
Hey, no.
That's enough. Likewise, the toffee not taste because too much sugar.
Oi. If too much sugar, then it won't taste good. Oi, sugar nga may lip. Why?
Kawin nga ni siya namin. Ako na mix ka teman-teman ako.
Mix naman.
Sige na lang.
No, kalilay.
Two. Okay, there's some confusion here. We don't know.
Gondotan.
Oh, there are many ways to do this. People also say there are many ways to do this, and
This all I do is good, as long as the sugar there is sweet.
yeah.
Kamu kusimin tu. Woi, kita ini juga. Kali ya.
And you can see here when Viliame mixed it.
Ah,
How does it taste?
tastes like you.
Oh fuck, very sweet.
Woo! Yeah, that's the sugar.
Okay, you can already eat it like that.
Just like that is the mix for the waiter. The one that yeah.
Oh, this one.
After this you lompat the biscuit then lompat the biscuit. Yeah, just like that. But yeah, no biscuit. Just coconut and
Yeah, but me look at me, mama ta me sa sa.
that's all.
Now Kuro is turning on the stove. And firstly we have to cook it.
Yeah,
For how many minutes?
just cook it when it's boiled, then start to.
Half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
Wait. When do we add in the milk, Lux?
When it boils. Carrots.
Oh, carrots?
Hey, you ask the chef.
No,
No,
the
because-
idea is good.
All idea is good. This one is a bullshit chef, man. You should be the head chef. And he can be the Ranjin.
Boots.
Yeah.
It's chef and teachers.
Good mix, Kuro.
See the lolo. Chinika there. Chinika will go to the.
Reta.
Time for the
Dams and.
For the white sauce.
yeah waiter sauce.
Ayo.
Hey, who opened this one?
Oh, it will bulang no.
Me see.
Hey, not good.
No, me taste
Oh,
no.
yeah, minus
No,
one.
it is not.
Where's the lid? Okay. When it's cast, you turn it around.
Oh, you stir it.
Yeah, straight. The one on the bottom, you put it on top.
Uy, now we have a Huh?
Water.
Eh?
Yeah.
Update.
The water is starting to move out of us.
Oh yeah.
See.
Yeah. It's getting better.
Yeah.
And the smell too is good. Eh?
Yeah.
But this is one way you can make the toffee.
Yeah.
Oh.
Add more water.
Add more. Smells good, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
We can told you.
Okay, people, we're gonna add more sugar. My cousin came here, Tabe. Look. She looked at it and she said, "You guys need more sugar."
She
So,
smell
as I-
the from his
From up there in Bachali and then.
Then she then she ran down. She knew that something wrong. With
Yes,
her.
yes. Thank
When
you.
She come. She had sugar.
Yeah. So people, as I said, it's really been years since we last made this, and even the boys, they were telling there's a lot of ways to do it, and they were they were a bit unsure how to go about it. Hopefully we're on the right path now with, by adding in more sugar. Okay, time for update.
Mix man,
Mix man om son, eh?
mix man om S.
Oh!
No sound.
Wait, this is it's beginning to be brown now.
Yeah,
That's the good color.
good color.
Good chocolate.
Here, boy, wait, it's gonna turn into brown
When we gonna add in the milk?
when it's dry.
Oi.
Yeah.
What
When
do you
add
think,
the
Luke?
milk,
Oi, oi.
so you can taste like this is nuts and that's boots.
Oi, oi.
Yeah. Boots S.
How many more minutes?
This is when you see you can make some measures because that is there.
The what?
Stove.
The stove.
Yeah. As that stove is flame well, then it's gonna be fast. And it's not gonna end there.
Ah!
Close, close. Hindi kaya ka. Mata kong.
Sat up some gas.
Abot sigmay.
Some gas.
Macho ko ba iso ko yung mga ka.
Yeah, yes,
Bawal sa ko. Eto, ikut basutak na kamar mata ka.
Sama sudo marma. Set ya?
Oh.
Wasuta kan dari mama ka sama mama ka. Sama
Uy.
Gor, coba.
Okay, people.
Gori.
Now it's time to add in the milk. Look at the color, all brown now. Huh? You need that much?
Check. Kaya huwag talor ni mama.
Suka ka rin.
Oh, may ultingan.
Suka nga lumar mo na konti diya.
Tem orange.
Wait. The milk change na Kava.
Good.
Good. This will taste good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Namin.
Mga sa
Look at these people.
Kanang gesarang o kinakal.
Makanya niya sa saranggo rin ka ng butong-buta.
Kinakal sarang.
More milk or not?
Iku ara ka sticky.
More milk.
Yes.
Mana?
You know, touch like this is drunks. There's boots.
If you what? Touch like this in tanks.
It's drangatis.
Oh, it's boots.
Ayo. Mana? Mana may sobital pelay?
So,
Uy, may sobital pelay.
wait a moment.
Ano ba? Arot-arot ah. Urto ka lang wala.
It's brown now. Too much sugar, man.
Yang ka sa istakal, yung ka statis.
Diabetes.
Diabetes nga, you'll not drink this fucking shit.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Yeah, then why you wanna know it? Fuck you, boots. Oh, wala tartong na. Yes.
Boy, pakasa kacim na kamu.
Buta juga.
Boy,
Fuck
man, head chef Vili, man.
Luda, you na
You are my buningan, man.
Dambe.
Good. This month, the people. Whoa, bro. This is really, really sweet. But it's good.
Good for growth, boy.
Boy, it's really good, eh? How's it?
No chat boots, eh?
Membuto na niyo
It's all. Set labi. Labi. Fuck off, you my buningan. How many more minutes?
Let's wait for that pot.
1 more hour.
I think 15 hours. No, I think 10 minutes.
No.
So the milk we pour inside is dry. Start to dry and start to sometimes like your balls is under the balls.
I hate that.
Yeah. When it's dry, you touch like this. You sting and swishing. That's boots. That you taste the real toffee. Sting, boom, swing, fall, swing.
Okay, people, you see the update again.
Yeah, start to turning into brown.
Yeah. Starting to be brown sugar.
Yeah. The white sugar into brown sugar and ash. You prepare the what? The dish.
See? Udah. Hari penasaran mana betul?
Why it smells so good, people?
Jadi apa emang?
So, wala, wanro masang karso na lang. Ito yung asang karso.
Iya, mana? Dua kau ya, bud. Fuck you. Kambing kemana sih punya?
How's it going, man?
Tangis menunggu kami sesong kami juga.
Manda, testa.
Okay, Bill. Almost there.
Almost there.
Okay, people, we are now at the final stages, finally. After tasting it for over 6 hours and cooking it for, I don't know how many hours.
12 hours. This is the 24 hours toffee.
Our kerosene is almost mothers, man.
Yeah, after this by the benzene.
Beta. And now it's time.
See that? Oh.
Awa. Tamo sa mundo mo. Mantingan jeep. Kaya teman-teman
Bosu pakai tangan kita bawa.
Wait, kaya teman-teman sulung korcus ya? Cus ya, kaya teman-teman sulung. Awa, teman-teman ngantar siya. Mana sulung agun?
Now put it in a tray and they leave it there to cool down, and hopefully it'll become sticky, and then we can taste it while it's cooled down.
Tangkar dala ni es kitan ko. Miti kayo mikro sa mata ko. Barnam siya po isin. Ay mikro bakaran ako. Masa.
Ito rin na sa ko.
Look at that, people.
$25 on
Ano siya po may tanggan mo? Wala mo daw sa sunod.
Ya, to ka. Nawi ya tugur. Ya ta ka wala nga. Muna ka man. Ta ka. Tulis mo na.
speaking. Oh, you nakakata.
Huh? Katatiin butan siya.
Iya. Apa?
Ikaw na sumsum.
Ano na?
Ngongo.
Toffee. Hey, Rambang.
So, napa matanto ba?
Slowly.
This is to press it. So,
Tara balik na way nang kinatali.
no air go inside, so it can be strong,
fast.
strong fast, fast and furious.
How's it? Good. Ay dari PG.
Woo!
Tignan sa.
Okay, set. So now how many minutes till when cool down?
When it's hot,
Cold.
when it's warm,
When it's warm?
hot, cold.
Wait, I'm asking you when.
When it's warm, very cheap.
Yeah, when it's warm, but when how many minutes till it's cool?
It
can
can
be
be
half an hour.
so 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
30 minutes. Apa na?
And after this, even half an hour, I'll cut and take one piece.
Yeah, take
Yeah,
this, man.
for taste.
Yeah, you take
Because
this.
me that taste.
You take this.
No.
Good taste.
Fuck that one.
Taste. Diba? Punta balik na way.
Look at these people.
Tayo, gusto lang ko nang iba.
Looks good now.
Tos, punta na way. Ang bulikan ko na na.
Eh, talagang gor nila.
What do you think, Samuel Romeric?
Good.
Oi, good. Good taste. Thank you, Samuel Romeric.
Si bungan siya is now si Tonto.
No, you are our Buningon.
No, you and brother bunans.
Look at that, how he ramidas the. Ah! Let's cut in 2 pieces.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Just make a straight line down to your ass. Oh, musa nga ba ka?
Doon chicken na root.
Kaya ko na chicken ha. Mo de cho.
Wait,
All for the
why you
Bunde.
cut it now? Because it's still soft.
Yeah.
Oi,
It's
oi.
easy. When it's strong, it's hard.
Oi.
Yeah.
Like when look.
When your ass is hard, then
Cute.
Oi. Buning on Billy.
Dame.
Buning on Billy.
Fuck off time, hindi ko na sinungun ka.
Fuck you. Buning on Billy.
Dame.
Look at that, people. Wow. Look at the color.
Laku, nandun mag.
It look like a chocolate cake. It's the sister of the chocolate cake.
That's the sister of the chocolate cake.
Yeah, the sister of the chocolate cake.
And this is the coconut candles guys.
The chocolate cake.
Coconut chocolate cake.
Look at that, people. Wow. Look at the color. All done by Buning on Billy and Buning on Luke. Now we wait.
Wait.
Volleyball.
Yeah.
Okay. Volleyball.
You go, me taste man that.
Eh,
Because me
wait,
that taste that.
Okay, people. Now it's time to let it cool down for a bit, and now let's see what else the fellas are doing, or the villagers. So this is like the second week of the school holidays. It's gonna end on Saturday. It's gonna end on Sunday, and then they will resume school next week. But look, many kids here right now. Okay, people, now it's time for us to taste it. And you can see,
Taste it or not?
yes, I have tasted it
You
already, but now it's time for Vili to taste it. Look,
You said to you to taste it because you too much valwash when it's cooked. Beach. Taste man that way.
What are you telling what?
For the inch of yourself, man.
You throw this one to make it
Fuck
easy.
you don't love me.
Take only one, not two.
Yeah, only one. Fuck, who is that?
Hey!
Marona.
Tolo, taste later.
How I fuck you?
Ay, may tanong ka na po.
Me, one not taste too.
Wow.
Nah.
Good.
Good boy.
Eh?
You taste it or not? Taste man.
Taste is good.
Open one, taste man this one.
Later. It's good, eh?
Good open. This one, I think tomorrow will be
Better.
stronger, yeah.
Okay, no more.
Yeah, no more taste this one.
Last taste.
Yeah, last taste. Okay. Here's your piece.
No, taste of what oil.
Shall you go to mommy?
Where should you eat it?
Sweet. Let me try man.
Kasarap na niya. Mataw na ito.
Nasa?
Nawa, kasakap siya.
Reaction na Kava.
How's it? Good.
Yeah. Very good. See, so it's good, eh? The mixer.
Very good.
Too much water.
Good.
Good mix.